day, sir.
Can you all stand? Please lead the prayer. Break up.
Let us bow down our head. This is our sacrifice.
Okay, before you take your seat, please pick up the pieces of paper and arrange your chair properly. Alright, settle down everyone. So, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So, how are you today?
We're good, sir.
Alright, so is there anyone absent?
None, sir.
Alright, very good. So, please be aware with our classroom rules. So this will be our classroom rules. So please read everyone.
Classroom rules. Listen carefully. Sit properly. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Participate actively.
Alright, so I hope that you will be going to apply these old classroom rules at the end of the lesson. So, in order for you to get more energized, let's have an activity. So, are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so this activity is called paper dance. So, I will be dividing you into two groups. So, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Go to your group now. So, 1 and the group 2.
Sir, can we ask if what are we going to do with the paper?
So, this paper will be also I will play the music here, and if I stop the music, it will be fit on the paper. So, kung hanay na rin siya, so stop na lang ang music, magkuha na din mo din, masulog bago mo sa paper, fit mo. And then, ang kanang pinaunan nga well-balanced siya din sa paper, mo na siya makakuha na slight chance nga mo encircle din mo search siya sa ato ang one word there sa puzzle, which is itong sa atong lesson. Alright, so sige. That's alright, so the group 1 will have a chance to
Answer.
Paano tato yung paper? Hindi ba nila paper? Ang report niya sila.
Oh, ako report.
Siya ba yun?
alright.
Sana, sir.
So, next.
Pico. Okay, next one. Pico naman. Pico naman. Pico na eh.
Because hold the
Kasi
paper.
iba eh. Kasi PTV ang pag-iwan. Dapat pa rin
Sige, go!
Uy! Ay, wala pa!
Alright, so
Siya
1, 2, 3. Okay. Ano pa nga last week? Balik ang words. Last na lang. Isayaw. One, two, three. Alright. Alright, so the winner is the group 2. Now I will give the floor to Mr. Sherjan.
Okay, class, what do you feel after our activity? Okay? Enthusiastic, very good. How about you? Energetic, actually amazing. How about you, Apple? Very good. So I know that you enjoy our activity and based on the words that you searched in our puzzle, what are those words? Can you give one? Okay, Larry. Intensity, that's right. What else? Program, very, very good. What else? Formulate, very good. Aerobic, very good. And last one? Training, very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Based on the words, doesn't have any connection with our topic for today. What do you think is our topic for today? Based on the words that you search. Any idea? Okay. Aerobic training. That was so close. So another.
Formulating or creating aerobic training.
That's right. Very good. So our topic for today is all about formulating an aerobic training program. So before we dive in and explore the topic formulating aerobic training program, let's all have our objective for this lesson. So please read everyone.
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify the guidelines for initiating aerobic training, learn the methods to complete and judge training intensity, and learning the advantages and possible limitations of aerobic training through the intermittent and continuous procedures.
So I hope that this objective na ato ni siyang makuha karon. So fasten your seatbelt kay magpaalala. Ato nang discuss ang formulating and aerobic training program. So when we talk about aerobic training, so yun siya yung mga exercise na ato i-engage yung gamit tao extensive na strength, energy, just like sa ilibat ganyan. So di ba na-dance mo? So kung mag-dance ka, ano siya one of the example of aerobic is because nagamit na sa ato ang strength and atong energy. So for example, mo siya yung mga exercises nga kinahanglan nato to insert of effort. Mo na siya saan na siya? Aerobic training or exercise. So can you give any another example about aerobic exercise or training? Okay, Larry. Running, very good. What else? Cycling, very good. Swimming, very good. Dancing, amazing. So these are the general guidelines. So kung magpuan ka, mag-training ka, natin mga guidelines ka dapat yun. It's because para prevent nato ang mga injury, mga accident during that training. So the first one is speed. Everyone.
Start slowly.
uli po siya sa pangdagko. Diba kaya ang mga bata mo, exercise na po na siya, ang kuhaan po ng dagko, exercise po na siya, tinuod ba dili? Kung sa kayo po dati ang exercise, so sa pangbata, kung sa kayo po dati para sa bata ang mag-exercise na, or to grow. What else? Sa bata, ano yung kinahanglan sila mag-exercise? Physically fit. So start slowly, kinahanglan, hinay-hinay lang kayo. Kung paspas ka galit, wala kayo, hindi mo hinay-hinayon. So, naay po nga ma-accident ka or naakay mga injuries nga mabuhan. For example, dali na kalay na yun. So, naay mga cause ani nga, o ang isa idea kay kasi dali na kalay na yun, hindi na kain sa iyo ang goal. Number 2 ay allow ang warm-up period. So, dapat yung ma-exert ang effort, mga warm-up, ano ay para ato ang mga unang kay hindi na tayo ma-prepare. So, it's because kinahanglan din na siya ma-stretch ang ato ang kay kung mapabigyan na siya na mabigla ka na siya, di ba? Kung mag-exercise anong right training, hindi pa na siya mo effect karon. Pero mga later on, mga pagkabuntag, pinaka-oras, makapinakaw mga sakit bibig. So, the next one is allow cool down period. So, after mo mag-exercise, mag-exert mga kung ano na ng effort, magbuhat kang mga activity ka na movement mo nga makaparelax sa iyong body para mabalik ito ang gusto. So, di ba kaya exert lang ka? So, kung kaan sa cool down, try to engage mga actions na hindi kaayo extensive nga para mabalik ang iyong energy mo gusto. So, the next one is Monisha, guidelines for children. Please meet everyone.
Accumulating more than 60 minutes and up to several hours daily occasion and developmentally accumulating activities for elementary school children.
So, it's very clear din nyo nga na ay requirements ang mga children. Ilan ay kabuok, Mary? Ang requirements sa children, ilan kabuok? 60 minutes. Very good, 60 minutes siya. It's because kung mulapas ani, kung sa mali na itabok na rin kasi kakaidiya, kung mulapas ani na 60 minutes.
Possible na ang bata umamis ka ng kapuyo.
Kapuyo siya, what else, Apple? Kung mulapas. Mabuhat ang bata. What else? Makuyapan. Very good. So, hinahanglan, naaro siya yung limit, di ba? Kaya kung mulapas na anak, lagi natakapuyon, or else na ay mga unsudden na mga mahitabo sa abuha. So, number 2 is feed everyone.
Some of the child's physical activity each day should be in not 60 minutes or longer and include large muscle activity, aerobic activity performed intermittently with brief rest and recovery periods.
So, sa akin ngayon din hanapang po tayo mga general guidelines. So, hindi na na-mention. So, number 2, na-shy individuality o specificity. So, dapat kung training ka o engage ka mga exercise, na-tayo specific na buhaton para ako ang aim or ang atong goal kaya ako makuha. No? Kaya, kung ikaw, wala kayo, kung sa manig mo ang mga dapatan sa inyong lawas, unubra, di ba? Wala kayo ma-aim mag-goal. So, palimitan o pagpalipang ka kay bata pa mga kasultang mo ka. For example, kung wala kayong buhaton, isang lang tampo or maniwa. Kung wala kayong buhaton, wala kayong specific na kuhaan. Stay lang, no? Wala siya yung makuhaan. Pero wala kayong specific na goal, specific na mga exercise. So, na-achieve naka-improvement or progress sa inyong lawas. So, the third one is, please read, Mary. Diba? Kaya nga, nag-mention na YouTube siya naman i-extend ang mga exercise. It's because hindi siya appropriate. Isa pa, hindi po siya good sa health sa mga bata. Number 4, please read. Ashley.
Elementary school children should participate in variety of physical activities of various level of fitness.
Okay, so, encourage ang mga elementary school
running and volleyball.
Volleyball. So, kung mag-volleyball ka na, nakapay mga training wala.
Master.
So, sa may mga benefits, sa may mga ano mo at kung mag-training ka.
And it makes my bones stronger and
Diba? So, ikaw, sa mga mga sports sa kanila? Sports? Itong elementary pa ka.
badminton.
Badminton. So, dako ka siya contribution. Sa yung mga sports? Billiard, no?
Yes.
Ikaw sa kanila yung talim mo na ng billiard.
Hindi naman siya ino na kapoy pero ay makabigyan mo ng kapoy kay kamot na. Kamot na din. Naka-benefits lang niya kay agi sa billiard kay marami daw ba na kabalo ka dapat kung wala ka billiard is kabalo di ka mo balancing.
Ay, balancing na may tapol, mag-billiard ka. So, it is very important yung mga elementary students na i-encourage na sila. Hindi na kaya nilang physical anak magos, sila pong mental health and social aid. The more sila maka-engage yung mga tao, the more sila maki-socialize sa mga tao, o the more yung physical activity maganahan kung appeal. So, cardio respiratory fitness standard, please read everyone.
Abala na niya.
So, very good. Thank you for your participation. So, mauni siya ang one of the most valid methods sa bata sa cardiovascular fitness niya. So, ang iyong requirements is 1 mile walk. So, maglakora siya. Wala na kayo mga doon, lakora ka. And then, ang age mo kayo, pinahanglan man kayo, na kayo basihan kung imong edad 10, alas 30 to alas 10. So, ang ibang requirements kayo 2 and 1/2 hours. So, natin ang mga requirements sa boys, sa girls. So, when we talk about VO, muna siya yung volume oxygen max. Volume oxygen max. So, muna siya yung mga basihanan nato sa ato ang edad. Kung sa ato ang i-require dili, ang magputay na nabunan di ato, dili na magbase kung anta, kung pinala atong edad, o asa na tama ng ato ang lakon. Sagdan, muna siya para matest ato ang atong cardiovascular fitness. Kay, kung diha panamitan, ang requirement sa inyo kay kuan 1 hour yung ang lakon. Pero paano siya? Walk naman siya, 1 hour lang yung mga kuan. Hindi nakabutang 1 hour. So, yung mga ikuan kayo, 20 minutes na kayo, kapoy na ka sa tumak-tuma. Sa may lumang pa na to, sa may ma-benefit man, na-progress yung laos wala. Gamay, pero hindi siya totally na progress, di ba? So, ako mga talaan na example, ka na kita maglakaw na sa likamukli. Ano na siya? So, magpaan mong goal, panalitan. Iaan pa dito sa first station, ako na siya 500 meter. For example, meter. And then, ang yung kinalagay, 1 mile man. So, magbuha pa siya sa station para ang imang requirements, imo ang ma-reach mo ang requirements. So, next one is train at perception of effort. So, kung siyang ikon kanya, kinahanglan kung mag-train ka na naakay goal, dapat ma-exert ka o effort. Kaya kinahanglan, the more mo siya tagaan o value ang iyong pag-training, the more ka makakita progress. Diba? Nakay makita sa social media anang itong tambog sila sa una din, gawin natin sa ilang pagpanikamot, nakakuhan sila, nakita na sila tinangguan nga, diba? Nanitong na sila, ilang buwan, ilan na nakita. So, please read everyone, the change of perception.
Meditation of consumption. Heart rate and blood. As indicator of exercise intensity. One also can use strategy of restriction or RPE.
Okay, thank you. So, when we talk about RPE, it is our rate for perceived exertion. So, pananglitan, sige, stand up everyone, and ako i-count, so you will sige, stand up. And then, do the jumping jumps of 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. So, sa inyo ma-feel. Sa inyo na-feel. O, ikaw, sa inyo na-feel. Sa inyo fun, breathing. Hanga. Ikaw. Paspas ang heartbeat ikaw.
Sir, pinaninit ako daw.
Oo, nanginit ang lawas. Ano eh? Same. Mukha nga. So, 8 is figure 6. So, ano na siya? Kanang rate of percent exertion, the more ka mag-anak, the more ka mag-exert, mapili mo ang rate na nag-increase. Diba? Nag-increase siya. So, ang example ko palitan, naka-fill ka, pilin mo ang kuhan. Katong pagkuhan mo, i-rate mo to 1 to 19. Pilin mo rate add to. Mga... So, mag-rate ka. Dili lang, mag-rate na ka. Ibang performance ato, yung kahanga, ibang breathing ato, sa man yung na-feel. 11 iya. So, ang iya ang scale din ay fairly light. Tarik lang ang iya pag-effort. So, naa siya yung 52 ang iya HR or heart rate max mo. Ang iya ang volume or volume oxygen kay 31 to 50 lang. Pero kung maghatag mo yung scenario, ay hindi nyo, pila man ako ang panad to, ako ang RPD. 15. Okay, 16. So, hard na to siya ako ang skin add to. So, ang HR, pila naman?
60, 81.
O, din na ako ang volume oxygen, pila naman?
76.
Okay, very good. So, di ko na siya pag-formulate sa atong training. So, diyan na makakuan, basihan mo sa imong pag-scale mo, scale ka, o gumanin mong training, mag-scale na din ka, palitan, 16. O, tanaw na rin yung as ang 16, hard siya, o, hindi na dahil, mo na rin i-take yung anak. So, the more ka magkakuan, magka-increase man na kayo, karon 16 yung nabuhat. Susunod na po, 17, nagkataas na. Ay, pagkuan, 19 na po siya. Ana ko ikuan, na siya yung progression. So, progress sa iyang training, ako siya yung progress sa iya ang lawas. Kaya nagkataas naman, di ba? Okay. So, please read everyone.
60 minutes of moderate exercise, doing walking, aerobic dancing, swimming, urinary hygiene, reduces excess body fat. Exercise can be divided into 10, 20, or 30-minute sessions, as long as the daily total equals 60 minutes or more. For an individual who weighs 218 pounds, the calorie
Thank you. So, di ko nang video nga, ang ako lang need niya, ipan a day is pila na di?
60 minutes.
O, pwede ka mag-uan, kamupunta 10 minutes sa uto, 20, pagkahapon, 30. Para a day, ma-accumulate mo, ma-reach mo ang pila na di kapuan?
60
60 minutes. Ikaw mo'y bahala ba kay paralitan buntag na kay kuan. Kung saan ka magbuntag, sa may mga tuning mo.
Walking.
Mag-walking siya, pila ka minutes. O 20 na. So, ang iyang pala nila, pa siya yung 40 niya dapat i-reach. O, ikaw, saan yung bago pagka-auto? Kung patulog ka, kung pwede, kung matulog ka, pagka-auto kayo, di ba, init man na. Sabi, mag-exercise tugod to.
Wala.
Wala. So, sa hapon na kakay, walay.
Init.
O, walay init. Tabi na kayo na exercise, pagawas sa atong singot. Very good. So, amount to siya lang pag-formulate na to sa ato ang training program kay hinahanglan siya na to basihan sa ato ang RPE, which is the rate per step exertion sa atong lawas. So, kung ato siyang scale, mabasihan, ato na din wala ng ato ang VO atong HR. HR stands for heart rate and VO stands for volume oxygen. So, let's have a recap. What is our topic for today? Very good. Let's give Rio a sing-singo clap. Do you know what sing-singo clap?
No.
1, 2, 3. For today's video, die. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's clap. 1, 2, ready, go. So the next question is, pila ka-minutes ang akong i-reach a day? Okay, Ashley.
60 minutes, sir.
Very good. Tagalan na siya, Ashley. Yung amazing clap. Tulog sa aking clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. So I will give the floor to teacher Jan. So
This activity is called Choose Your Best. So all you have to do is to choose an aerobic exercise choose an aerobic exercise that corresponds to the aerobic, the different intensity level. So please be aware to the rubric. So please read everyone.
Criteria. Time management. Excellent 25%. Members finish ahead of time with complete data. Grade 20%. Members finish ahead of time with complete data. Good 15%. Members did not finish on time with complete data. 10.
So I will be giving you 3 minutes to prepare the activity. So same group earlier, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Alright.
Ako 10% of walking and 20% na learning. 30%.
Alright, time's up everyone, so settle down. So now, the first to perform is the group 1. So let's witness the performance of group 1. This
So this is the presentation of group 1.
First, walking. Wow, my answer. First, walking 10%. Second is jogging 20%.
Third is jumping jacks. 20%.
Go. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, group 1. So group 2, this is in front.
So, good morning everyone. This is the presentation of the group.
10% for working. Jumping jacks.
100% high knees. And that's all. Thank you.
Alright, so you're doing a great job, class. So for the scoring, for the group 1, for your time management, I gave 25% because you finish ahead of the time. And for the cooperation, 55% because I can see that all the members are exceeding well. And also for the accuracy, 25%, and for the preparation, 55%. So for a total of 100%. I also give them 25% for the time management as well as the cooperation and the accuracy and the presentation for the total of 100%. So around.
Please get 1 sheet of paper for our case. Are you done?
Not yet.
Okay, take your time. Where's my bell? Bell.
discussion? Okay, are you done? Number 2. Okay, number 3. Number 5. Okay, time's up. Opens up. Please change your paper, your seat, and let's check your quiz. So, number 1 is letter B. Please read everyone.
The following are the basic general guidelines in initiating an aerobic training program in SEP.
So, may exam niya. Katumalan natin sa guidelines.
Start faster.
Oh, start faster. Very good. Number 2, ako rin magbasa kay Mark. Gusto mo klaro? So, number 2 is, what is or are the indicators of exercise intensity to oxygen consumption?
B.
Okay, B, very good. Heart rate and blood lactate. Number 3, how many minutes of moderate exercise? Very good. 60. Malinaw na din sila. Number 4, the following are the purpose why cool-down period is allowed in the general basic guidelines except
Letter C.
letter C. Ang letter C kay allow the muscle cramps occur after training. Di ba kay kung magkuhan ng kalisod kung mo alam ang bituhod, kung mag-cool-down ka, di ba dili? Para ma-relax mo ha? Very good. Number 5, is extended periods of inactivity is appropriate sa mga bata?
No.
Extended? Oh, very good. How the number correct? Was perfect. Okay, I see that naminaw dito sa discussion, pinaka-answer mo. So, before we end this discussion, this is your assignment. So, please read everyone for the assignment.
Record yourself showing the general basic guidelines in initiating an aerobic training program.
So you can take a picture and then send to your GC and pass this assignment next week. Okay. So, do you enjoy our discussion for today?
Yes, sir.
That would be all for this class. Goodbye and thank you, class.